Hey, so in today's video, I'm going to be making chicken enchiladas. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. For this recipe, you'll need tortilla shells, about a pound of chicken, green onions, one tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of cheese, and 1 can of beans, black beans. So I'm gonna cook the rice. I usually do a 2-to-1 ratio. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. And then also add a little bit of butter to it. So just go ahead and cook your rice. So I'm gonna start off by dropping in the butter and letting it melt. Once the butter has melted some, you're gonna add in the flour. And mix it up. You're gonna mix in the garlic salt and the onion powder. Reagan just woke up. So you mix that up. Okay. Next, you're gonna add in the chicken stock and chili powder. Okay. So then you're gonna just So I'm gonna add in just an extra, I'd say 1/2 cup of chicken stock because it's kind of heavy on the chili powder. Once the mixture is hot, I'm gonna cover it and put it back on the back burner. So I'm gonna cut up my chicken into bite-sized pieces and throw it in the pan and cook it up. So once your chicken's cooked, you're gonna put your rice in a bowl and get your can of beans and mix them together. You're gonna preheat the oven at 350. So now you're gonna, on the tortilla, grab the tortilla, grab some chicken, throw some chicken in there. Okay, and grab some of the sauce. Throw some sauce on. Then grab some of the rice and beans and throw some of that on. Then you're gonna grab it, fold one side over, the other side over, and you're gonna flip it. It's okay if some of it comes out because it's gonna all cook up. And you're gonna do that with all of the tortillas all the way across your pan. Okay, so now that you've got them all rolled up, I'm gonna grab the sauce and just pour a little bit over. Cover it all up. Now you're going to grab the cheese and just sprinkle cheese on there. And if you find you don't have enough cheese, you can get some more. Now you're going to grab green onions and just sprinkle some green onions over it. And this can be as little or as much as you'd like, just to add color and make it look good. Once your oven is preheated, you're going to open it up and you're going to put it the enchiladas in for 40 minutes. So now you're going to pull them out of the oven. You're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Here's the finished product. How was it?
Good.